Can you survive from this?
It's actually just
It's
a
so
human.
big.
Let's see if random people can spot the difference.
Jake,
no.
you'll have 10 seconds to pick which one of these animals you want to release.
Would you
Pick
believe
the
this
human, and I'll give
is
you
a real
checker.
one?
If you pick wrong, you just released a wild animal.
Are you serious?
Go!
No.
Oh my god.
Which animal do you think is a
These
human?
are
Jake, you have
not
6
real.
seconds and I'm releasing one.
Cow. Alligator.
3, 2, which am I releasing? You want me to
Can
release
you
the
believe
gorilla?
this?
No, I don't.
Check these big animals.
You guessed correctly. Here's
Please subscribe.
$10,000.
Thank you so much.
If
Isn't
we
that
can-
sweet? Subscribe.